All right, let's get this alternator changed out. Gotta pull this out of here. Oh, I see. It's a 10. Oh, okay. I see. This out of the way. This out of the way. All right, we gotta undo this connector. Tuck this down to the side. All right, there is another connector down there, but I'm gonna try to move this first. Here we go. That's already 31 on me. Only got 27. Sorry. Might be a time thing. Is it due by time? Was it due by time? Good morning. All right. All right. All right, so I got that unplugged. Now, there is I'm not sure if you can see it. There's a connector over here for the AC compressor. You have to get out. All right, got everything down from under here. Let me take you back up. Okay, got the fan shroud loose, and this is the right down here. That's the connector. Yeah.
I don't see anything on.
I already reset everything in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that explains that, then.
Yeah, it's in the center display. It's all done.
Yeah, spin that circuit big front box, so.
Yeah, it's in there, but I already did it. All right. Here's the.
Do you want this one up, down?
Just leave the slip there. I'll wrap it up. You can leave it. You can leave it up though, like open. Okay. Now.
You want me to go ahead and doing this?
Now this, I did not disconnect the battery. So this one I felt confident enough that I could just kind of protect it and tuck it aside. So I'll just leave that there. It should be fine. Get all this out of the way. Next thing we got to do is, now we got to get to the alternator, but there's a tensioner that we have to undo the belt. So there should be a 14 millimeter. It's going to be down here. Just make sure you're going the right way, because these are reverse threaded pulleys. So if you're going the wrong way, you actually will loosen up just the pulley. So you can leave the belt in place unless you're changing it. But I'm not changing it because we did this recently and it's in okay shape. Now we got to get to the alternator. This should be a 12 millimeter. Then most of the time, this bracket, it's not that hard to get off. Is that one? This one? I usually leave that connected. I'll just undo this one. First step was just move the radiator. Looks like it might be leaking. I'll find out from the customer if they want that changed. Okay, that's that bracket. One goes to the alternator. The other one goes onto the cylinder head. Just like to set that back in here. Go there. Now there's one more bolt. It's going to be down underneath of the alternator, 14 millimeter. Let's grab those. If you're careful enough, you can just sneak. Should be able to sneak your way in there. And this is the bottom alternator bolt, which is going to be this one. That would go like that. This is the new alternator, obviously. This should be loose now. That's moving. Go on something solid. Just kind of going. What do you need?
You want me to hop up in there?
See? Boom, boom. And I'm just going to lightly tap this back. And you can see, hopefully you could see, just that little bit of tapping. I created some space right in here, right in this area. And now I can fit the new alternator in. Just make sure the new alternator looks okay. Let's take this nut off first. So it's going to go in like this. Just be careful with the radiator. No, because it's going to have to go back up in the air. started a couple of threads. Just line this up. Let's tighten it all up. We put this belt on if we're lucky enough. If we're lucky enough, we can just kind of slip it right back into place. All right, got the belt back on. Let's put this in here. Okay, and don't be in the jungle. Put these back the way they belong. Okay, we got that. Clip this in. Put that back into place. Just for the sake of not having to take it all back apart again. Let's hop in here. Okay, battery lights off. That's a good deal. So this is what I'll show you. So this is the wiring for the fan. This is where the connector goes for the AC compressor clutch. I'm going to clean this off with a wire brush. What I do is we slide this in. That goes down on the bolt down here to locate it. All right, let's go back up in the air. All right, put that back in the retainer. Okay. Oh, cool, slipped in there. I'll put this just as a starter. No, maybe I don't want to do that, just in case I got to move it. I got the underneath connected. Put this here. Okay, this is a 10 millimeter. 10 mm. Doesn't take much. Now this. All right, it's all connected. She a big dummy. Send backwards. Right, put that in here. Okay. All right. Let's cover back on. Put this. And we will, let's get her all started up, baby. Multimeter, graphing, volts DC. And we have 14.03. Alternator done. That's another job. Another job completed. All right, thanks for watching, guys.